Hit and run refers to the crime of a driver of a vehicle who is involved in a collision with another vehicle, property or human being, who knowingly fails to stop to give his or her name, license number, and other information, as required by statute, to the injured party, a witness, or law enforcement officers. If there is only property damage and no other person is present, leaving the information attached to the damaged property may be sufficient, provided the person causing the accident makes a report to the police. Hit and run statutes vary from state to state. It is not a violation of the constitutional protection against self-incrimination to be required to stop and give this information, since it is a report and not an admission of guilt. Some hit-and-run cases are difficult to determine, such as the driver leaves the accident scene to go a block to his or her house, or the neighborhood repair garage, and then walks back to the scene.